Warm welcome everybody, once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria in Germany. Today's topic, Greenlight. We got two hobby exclusives that we are going to take a closer look at. We have the 1969 Ford Club Wagon and this one here, the 1970 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser from the Indy 500 set. So I would say let's take a look at this guy here first. I already cut the package open so that you don't have to listen to these annoying sounds. I'm not sure if this is a single release or if there is a whole set of these cars. I have never seen this one before. So let's take a look at the backside. You can see some blueprints. I don't know, maybe this stuff here is from the original brochure of this van. I don't know. The first positive thing I noticed through the packaging, I couldn't see any quality issues. If you are watching my channel, that is a really big problem when you buy Greenlight cars. I think it's a cool brand, a huge variety of cars. But the problem is you have a lot of cars with minor or major quality issues. Normally these Greenlight cars have a metal body, a metal base and rubber tires. So this one has two, as you can see right here. Here we have the production number 2999. Often these Greenlight cars have issues with the tires. These do look pretty good. So we got a cool front. As you can see, we got the Ford lettering here on the grille, very detailed. Got this light here on the roof, very cool. No opening parts, but I have to say, yeah, I don't need any opening parts if they have the right quality. That is okay for me. And this one here does look really good. Even the windows do look very clear, which is which you don't get every time when you buy a Greenlight car. So this guy here does exceptionally look good. Painted taillights, nice blue color with this white details around the windows. So I would say one of the best Greenlights I got so far. And the important question, does it roll? We will try. Yeah, it does roll quite good. So one last close look. I can't see any quality issues, and that is really good. So let's put this van aside and let's go on with this guy here. I have to say I really like the deco on this backing of the car. I already have one of these Indy 500 cars. This really cool GMC Vendura from 1976 with this cool deco on. I already did an unboxing with this van and some other vans. If you're interested in, check out the video. I'll put a link in the description below. So I didn't see any quality issues through the package, but I'm kind of excited if this one is a roller, because take a close look. The distance between the tires and the wheel arches is very, very small, so I'm not sure if this guy here is a roller. Let's take a look at this cardboard here. As I said, I do really like this design here on the back. You can see the winner from the year 1970 of the Indy 500, L. Unser. So this is very cool. Now let's take a look at the Vista Cruiser in this pace car deco. Some really cool details. Take a look at the tires. They say Indy 500. We have Firestone tires, nice rims. Normally on this guy here, the tailgate does open, and yes, it does. It opens. Cool. Opens and closes perfectly. As you can see, we have painted taillights. We have a number plate. So let's say Indiana. And the stuff below I am not able to read. So looks really cool. So as I said, very interesting if this guy is a roller. Now let's see. As you can see, the tires in the back do roll, the tires in the front, as expected, do not roll here. Okay. You can see here's something on the tire, maybe that is the reason. Well, I will fix this after this video, but maybe it does roll if we cut this piece off. So this Vista Cruiser is not my first one. I also got this guy here. This is from the Estate Wagon series. This is a 1972 model. And yeah, you might notice some differences. As you can see, this guy here has a trailer hitch. And for sure, a pace car doesn't need one, so this guy here has no trailer hitch. And as you can see, we got very different tires. And I think the casting itself is the same, but take a close look at the hood. So the hood is different on the two cars. The pace car has air scoops on it. And another thing, take a look at the front, at the bumper. The 1972 Vista Cruiser from the Estate Wagon series has round fog lights. And this guy here, the pace car, these fog lights are squared. So I hope I will fix this issue with the tire. This guy, by the way, I'm always showing this. I really like this casting and the car, but this has a quality issue with the rear window. If you take a close look, these chrome lines are, yeah, not how they're supposed to be. It's supposed to be like on the other side, or as you can see, yeah. I think they are not perfect here, but it's okay. So let's show these two cars together. You always have to consider the price of these cars. I think I forgot to mention it. So normally here in Germany you can buy these Greenlight cars for 7 or 8 euros. And when they don't have any quality issues, you get a lot of diecast for your money. As you can see, we got two cars with metal body, metal base and rubber tires and a lot of details. And as I showed you, the pace car from 1970 is different from the other Vista Cruiser, what is really cool. I mean, it happened that after the video I did recognize some quality issues that I didn't mention on the video because I didn't see it through the camera. But these two guys do look very good. So, if you did like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you can watch another one of my videos. I say thanks for watching, happy hunting, see you next time.